I'd like to share with you 3 gifts of a Saint Agnes education for your junior high or high school student. The first is the gift of a truly liberal arts education, an education for freedom, an education in the humanities that will teach young men and women how to live in today's society. The second is the gift of Catholic culture, the sacraments and devotions of our school. We're not simply a school that also teaches the Catholic faith. The Catholic faith is woven through everything we do as a school, in the classroom, in our sacramental life, going to Mass every week. The faith is really caught here, not just taught. And finally, the gift of lifelong faith-filled friendships. I see over the years many graduates from Saint Agnes, and they continue to remain in relationship with their friends and their classmates from Saint Agnes, who encourage and they support one another in living out the Catholic faith. So those are 3 gifts that Saint Agnes education can give to your child. Thanks for considering us.